Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: 7 heart-healthy foods that can contribute to longevity. Taking care of our heart is crucial for a long and healthy life, so let's dive right in. Berries are our first heart-healthy food, and they're little but powerful. Strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are just a few of the vibrant fruits that are bursting with antioxidants that can help lower blood pressure and lessen artery inflammation. Plus, they are delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. You can add them to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Fatty fish is the next item on our list. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, are known to lower blood pressure, improve heart health overall, and minimize the risk of heart disease. Consider including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Grilling, baking, or even pan-searing are great ways to prepare them and maintain their nutritional value. Now for our third food that is heart-healthy: leafy greens. Swiss chard, spinach, and kale are great providers of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They lower the risk of heart disease and aid in preserving healthy blood pressure. Try incorporating a colorful mix of leafy greens into your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries for a heart-boosting meal. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Let's now discuss nuts and seeds. Rich sources of fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids include almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. These may help lower cholesterol and strengthen heart health. A small handful of nuts or a sprinkle of seeds on your salad or yogurt can make a big difference in supporting your heart. Now, let's take a closer look at the incredible benefits of olive oil for heart health. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is a key player in promoting cardiovascular well-being. Olive oil's high monounsaturated fat content is one of its most notable qualities. Numerous heart-protective benefits of these healthy fats have been linked to them, including an increase in good cholesterol and a decrease in bad cholesterol. Moreover, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols and vitamin E. These antioxidants play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to heart disease. According to research, eating more olive oil may help lower blood pressure, which is important for keeping your cardiovascular system in good working order. Whether you're using it as a salad dressing, for sautéing vegetables, or drizzling it over your favorite dishes, the versatility of olive oil makes it easy to include in your daily meals. Now let's talk about the heart-healthy powerhouse, oats. This humble grain has earned its reputation as a nutritional superstar, especially when it comes to supporting cardiovascular health. One of the key components that make oats heart-friendly is the presence of beta-glucans. Beta-glucans are a type of soluble fiber that has been linked to various health benefits, and they play a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy heart. In the digestive tract, beta-glucans that we eat form a gel-like substance that aids in lowering the absorption of cholesterol. Lower blood levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, may result from this in turn. Another well-known benefit of oats is their capacity to control blood sugar levels. Oats' complex carbs break down slowly, which contributes to blood glucose stabilization, a vital component of overall cardiovascular health. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts not only provides a delicious and satisfying breakfast, but also sets the tone for heart-healthy choices throughout the day. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. And finally, our 7th heart-healthy food is the beloved avocado. Beyond their creamy texture and delicious taste, avocados are a treasure trove of heart-healthy goodness. At the heart of the avocado's cardiovascular benefits is its rich content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats have been linked to a variety of heart protective effects, including lowering levels of bad cholesterol, known as LDL, and increasing levels of good cholesterol, known as HDL. Avocados are a great source of potassium, a mineral that is essential for controlling blood pressure, in addition to healthful fats. For general cardiovascular health, blood pressure regulation is essential. Whether you enjoy avocados sliced on toast, blended into a smoothie, or incorporated into salads and wraps, the options are as diverse as the benefits they bring to your heart. And there you have it, 7 heart-healthy foods that can contribute to longevity. Remember, incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can go a long way toward keeping your heart strong and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay heart healthy.